Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into the secret world of one of the most misunderstood birds on the planet, the crow. You see them everywhere, but how much do you really know about them? Prepare to be amazed, because these aren't just ordinary birds. They're feathered Einsteins. Let's start with something mind-blowing. Crows have incredible memories, especially for faces. If you're kind to a crow, it will remember you. But if you're not, well, let's just say they hold a grudge. And they don't just keep it to themselves. They actually communicate with other crows, describing who to watch out for. Imagine being on a crow's most wanted list. Scientists have even done experiments where they wore specific masks while handling crows. And for years afterward, crows in the area would scold and dive bomb anyone wearing that same mask, even if they'd never seen that person before. It's like a neighborhood watch, but with wings. But their intelligence goes way beyond just remembering faces. Crows are master. We're not just talking about dropping nuts on the road for cars to crack open, which is already brilliant. In places like New Caledonia, crows have been observed crafting their own tools. They'll take a twig and carefully shape it, bending it into a hook to pull insects out of tree bark. They even use leaves to create other types of tools. This isn't just instinct, it's a learned skill, passed down from one generation of crows to the next. They essentially have their own culture of technology. And what about their social lives? It's as complex as any human drama. Crows live in large, extended family groups. The younger crows often stick around for several years to help their parents raise new broods of chicks. They help build nests, find food, and protect the young from predators. It's a real team effort. This cooperative breeding is quite rare in the bird world and shows a deep level of social bonding and intelligence. They even seem to understand abstract concepts. One of the most fascinating is their apparent understanding of water displacement, a concept from an Aesop's fable. In experiments, crows were presented with a tube of water with a tasty treat floating just out of reach. What did they do? They started dropping stones and other heavy objects into the tube, raising the water level until the treat was high enough to grab. They figured this out on their own, demonstrating a grasp of cause and effect that puts them on par with young children. Have you ever heard a crow make a sound that wasn't a caw? They have a huge vocal range and can mimic sounds from their environment, including other birds, car alarms, and even human speech. While they might not understand what they're saying, their ability to replicate sounds is uncanny. It's another layer to their complex communication system, which we're only just beginning to understand. They also play pets. Crows seem to enjoy having fun. They've been seen sliding down snowy roofs, playing tug-of-war with sticks, and teasing other animals like cats and dogs, seemingly just for the fun of it. This play behavior is a sign of high intelligence and a creature that has the mental capacity for more than just survival. So, the next time you see a crow, don't just dismiss it as a noisy pest. Take a moment to appreciate this incredibly intelligent, social, and resourceful creature. They have complex family lives, use tools, solve puzzles, and even hold funerals for their fallen comrades. Crows are a constant reminder that our world is filled with wonders, and intelligence can be found in the most unexpected of places. There's a whole secret society living right above our heads. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing world of animals. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've ever had a personal encounter with a clever crow. Until next time, stay curious.